Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make project number 46 of whitehatjr. So let's get started. The designing part will be all done for you. You just have to do the blocks. So over here you have to initialize three variables. One is initialize app variable turn 0, initialize app variable player 1, initialize app variable game war, and empty string. And then you have to do this block. This block will be done for you. So when any button click, do if button components background unequal to white, if app variable player equal to player1, set button component background picture to balloon png, set button components background picture to white, set app variable to player2, set button component background picture to dark, set button component background color to white, set app variable to player1, set app variable turns to uh, app variable turn +1, check win or tie. So you have to, this will be not given, you have to put it over here. So I will collapse this block, show you another. So so you have to do this thing too. If do button 1 background picture equals to balloon png, button 2 background picture equal to balloon png, if button 3 background picture equals to balloon png, button 4 background picture equals to balloon png, set winner text to player1 has won, set app variable game1 to true. So there will be error written over here. You just have to do this. Okay. So you have to do this for every button, every row. So I'll expand row to black. Okay, so if do button 5 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 6 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 7 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 8 background picture equals to balloon png, set winner text to player1 has won, and set app variable game1 to true. If button if do button 5 background picture equals to dark png, if do button 6 background picture equals to dark png, if button 7 background picture equals to dark png, if button 8 background picture equals to dark png, set winner's text to player 2 has won, set app variable game1 to true. So this is but row 2 block. Now it's button 3. You have to do the same, but it's button 9, button 10, button 11, and button 12. So check row 3. If do button 9 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 10 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 11 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 12 background picture equals to balloon png, set winner text to player1 has won, set app variable game1 to true. Then if do button 9 background picture equals to dot png, if do button 10 background picture equals to dot png, if do button 11 background picture equals to dot png, if do 12 button 12 background equals to dot png, set winner text to button 2 has 1, set app variable game1 to true. Okay, now it's button expand. So check row 4 if do button 13 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 14 background picture equals to balloon png, if do 15 button 15 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 16 background picture equals to balloon png, set winner text to player 1 as 1, set app variable game 1 to true. Same you have to do for that. Just duplicate this block and yeah. If do button 13 background picture equals to dot png, if do 14 button 14 background picture equals to dot png, if do button 15 background picture equals to dot png, if do button 16 background equals to dot png, set winner's text to player 2 has 1, set app variable game1 to true. Okay, so these 4 rows are done. We have to now check column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. So I'll expand this block. Then if do button 1 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 5 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 9 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 13 background picture equals to balloon png, set winner's text to player 1 has 1, set app variable game1 to true. If do button 1 background picture equals to dot png, if do button 5 background picture equals to dot png, if do button 9 background picture equals to dot png, if do button 13 background picture equals to dot png, set winner's text to player 2 has 1, set app variable game1 to true. So let's check out column 2. So check column 2 if do button 2 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 6 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 10 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 14 background picture equals to balloon png, set winner's text to player 1 has 1, set app variable game1 to true. So it's next is for that. So it's if do button 2 background picture equals to dot png, if do button 6 background picture equals to dot png, button 10 background picture equals to dot png, if do button 14 background picture equals to dot png, set winner's text to player 2 has 1, set app variable game1 to true. Okay, let's check out the column 3. Okay, so check column 3 if do button 3 background picture equals to balloon png, if do button 7 background picture equals to balloon png. If do button 11 background picture equals to balloon png. If do button 16 background picture equals to balloon png. Set winner to text to player 1 has won. Set app variable game1 to true. Next is dot. So if do button 3 background picture equals to dot png. If do button 7 background picture equals to dot png. If do button 11 background picture equals to dot png. If do button 16 background picture equals to dot png. Set winner text to player 1 has won. Set app variable game1 to true. So this is column 3. Now it's column 4. If do button 4 background picture equals to balloon png. If do button 8 background picture equals to balloon png. If do button 12 background picture equals to balloon png. If do button 16 background picture equals to balloon png. Set winner's text player 1 has won. Set app variable game1 to true. If do button 4 background picture equals to dot png. If do button 8 background picture equals to dot png. If do button 12 background picture equals to dot png. If do button 16 background picture equals to dot png. Set winner's text to player 1 has won. Set app variable game1 to true. Now let's check out two diagonals. So it's this. So check diagonal when if do button 1 background picture equals to balloon png. If do button 6 background picture equals to balloon png. If do button 11 background picture equals to balloon png. If do button 16 background equals to balloon png. Set winner text to player 1 has won. Set app variable game1 to true. It's that. So if do button 1 background picture equals to dot png. If do button 6 background picture equals to dot png. If do button 11 background picture equals to dot png. If do button 16 background picture equals to dot png. Set winner text to player 2 has won. Set app variable game1 to true. So let's check diagonal 2. So if do button 4 background picture equals to balloon png. If do button 7 background picture equals to balloon png. If do button 10 background picture equals to balloon png. If do buttons 13 background picture equals to balloon png. Set winner text to player 1 has won. Set app variable game1 to true. So if do button 4 background picture equals to dot png. If do button 7 background picture equals to dot png. If do button 10 background picture equals to dot png. If do button 13 text equal it's button background picture equals to dot png. Set winner's text to player 2 has won. Set app variable game1 to true. So this was the code for balloon and dart game. Now we will live test it. Okay, so I will click over say over here. Now the other player will click over here. So I'll click over here. The other player will click over here. I'll click over here. The other player will click over here. I'll click over here. So it will come player 1 has won. So this is how this game works. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Bye.